Yes. Okay, so for this week's project, actually, there are a few more going on, but anyway, for today's project, at least, what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to make a single unit out of these two little things here. Once again, I'm trying not to buy much anything new. I'm trying just to reuse or repurpose whatever I already have. And I think it's going to look good, okay, when finished. I'm going to put some little legs in here, so yes, this is the project. Okay, so time for me to reveal the results of my latest DIY project here in the house. So the story behind it, I designed and one of my brothers made 3 of these floating shelves. They are actually floating shelves. I really love them. I like the simplicity, I like the cleanness of it, and when put one on the top of the other on the wall, they look very, very nice. And it's amazing that it was designed over 20 years ago, and I still love the look of it. Anyway, here in Rome, we don't have room to place them on the walls or even to store them and save it for later. So what I decided to do, I'm going to keep this one intact, and it's going to be placed on in the upper part of the terrace. And the other 2, I convert onto a single piece, which is pretty much keeping the same structure. It's just a little bit longer. And I had some extra legs. I just cut and put it there. The reason why I kept them low, I should have given, you know, a little bit more height. But anyway, maybe I'll do that later. But the reason why I kept this low is because it can also serve as a seat, an extra seat, just in case I need some, you know, throwing parties for my invisible friends or anything. It serves the purpose of hiding the back of the sofa. I can pile books here, I can put some art, I can put plants. I like that it's clean, I like that it's minimal, I like that it's nearly invisible, and it's just a little touch of wood and otherwise only you know, stone and wall area. So yeah, this is how it ended up. As always, thank you for joining us.